Your email is often read before you are seen, and within a few seconds, people decide whether to reply, ignore, or judge your professionalism. Most people don't struggle with writing emails. They struggle with writing effective emails. Today, you learn a simple step-by-step system to write professional emails that get faster replies, better responses, and build a strong corporate image.
Why emails matter? In the workplace, emails are not just communication. They are records, impressions, and decisions in written form. A professional email saves time, reduces misunderstandings, shows clarity and confidence, makes people take you seriously. And the good news is, professional email writing is a skill you can learn.
Transition to framework. To make email writing simple and effective, we'll use a 6-step formula called PESBAC. Once you understand this structure, you can write any business email in under 5 minutes. Let's break it down. P for professional subject line. The subject line decides whether your email gets opened or ignored. Refrain from using ambiguous topics such as update, important, report. Instead, be clear and specific. Use subjects like client proposal, review required by 4 p.m. Website homepage changes, approval needed today. A good subject line answers 2 questions. What is this about? What is expected from me? E for effective greeting. Your greeting sets the tone of the email. You need to be real careful on choosing words. Use Hi, Ria for internal or casual corporate culture. Dear Mr. Sharma for formal communication. Avoid using greetings like Hey, Hi all. Professional email greetings shows professionalism, respect, and maturity. S for straight to the purpose. Busy professionals don't read long introductions. Your first line must clearly state why you are writing. Take example like this. I'm writing to request your approval on the updated proposal. This email is to share the revised schedule for next week's training. Clear purpose saves time and increases response rate. B for bullet point the details. Long paragraphs are ignored. Bullet points are respected. Instead of one long paragraph explaining everything, use this. Pricing updated as per client request. Design layout aligned with branding guidelines. Final review pending. Bullet points make your email easy to read and quick to understand. A for ask for action. Many emails fail because they don't clearly ask for action. Always mention what action is needed and by when. For example, you can use like this. Could you please review and share your approval by 3 p.m. today? People respond faster when they know exactly what to do, exactly when to do it. C for close professionally. End your email politely. Use thank you for your time, warm regards, or best regards. Avoid emotional or casual closings. Your closing line reinforces your professional brand. Here's how a complete professional email looks. Subject: Client presentation deck, approval required by today 4 p.m. Hi Ankit, I'm writing to request your approval on the updated presentation deck for the client meeting. Summary of updates: content revised based on client feedback, visual design updated as per brand guidelines, final pricing slide added. Action required: could you please review and approve by 4 p.m. today so we can share it with the client? Thank you for your support. Warm regards, Shantanu. This email is clear, polite, action-oriented. Common email mistakes to avoid. Avoid these common mistakes like writing emotional emails, long paragraphs, no subject clarity, no deadline mentioned, too many people in CC. A clean, focused email always gets better results. Action plan. From today, before sending any email, quickly check. Is my subject line clear? Is my purpose stated in the first line? Are details in bullet points? Is the action and deadline clear? Is my tone professional? Apply this consistently and your email response rate and workplace image will improve significantly.